on the right-hand side, and you'll be the first one to know whenever we post videos. I'm Michael Sario. I'm going to put a little bit more cheese on top of this, and it's time to eat. Thanks for watching.